Welcome back, my amazing and wonderful subscribers and viewers. Welcome to Grandma Esohe's cooking channel. I hope you will like the next cooking video you are going to view now. Enjoy and always practice one or two of them. And please do not forget to like, share, comment, subscribe if you have not yet subscribed. Thank you. Enjoy. Hello everyone, what we'll be cooking today is cauliflower fufu. And you get the cauliflower, put them in a pot and cover it up to boil, very little water. And then when it's cooked, what you do, you let it be a little bit tender and stay it. You see, very little water, so the nutrients will not all wash into the water. So the next thing to do is to put it in a blender. Put it in our blender and blend it together until it is smooth. Next, that is the blended cauliflower, and you just keep turning, making fufu. Fufu is good. You can, it's African way of eating their food with soups. So you have the phylum to make it bind together. We're going to put a binder, and that is the phylum psyllium husk. You put it at about 3 teaspoons altogether. So we are putting 2 teaspoons first, and then we turn it. It binds the cauliflower together in a very good way, and of course you are increasing your fiber intake, which is also good for your health. So depending on the quantity, that will depend on the psyllium husk that you are going to put. That's the 3rd teaspoon in this average cauliflower that we are making. You see, it has binded it together and it's very smooth. You can use this to eat any type of soup, African soup, ogbono, egusi, and this is a low carb meal for the diabetic or for those that are into low carb foods. It's all vegetable. Yeah, it has a very low carbohydrate content and a low GI. So that is all it is. Very easy to make, and it's all binded together now and smooth. So it's ready to be eating. Then we now put it in our plate and leave it to cool down a little bit, and you use it to eat your soup, okra soup, ogbono soup, egusi soup, any soups at all. That is the finished